Springtime in Michigan. Yep, beautiful balmy days, flowers growing. Just makes you want to run out there and get some chores done in the sunshine. Yep, good old Michigan. April 14th. Yep, beautiful spring day. Are you awake?
Yeah.
Are you ready to go out on this beautiful, balmy spring day and get our chores done?
Yep.
Alrighty, let's go. I'm gonna steal Noah's boots. Shh, don't tell her. Her feet are my size. Whee! These berries are covered in snow. Hopefully they'll survive. Let's see. Oh, gooseberries are covered in snow too. Hello!
It's still snowing.
I realize that. This is not our typical spring. Although in Michigan it's not necessarily unheard of. Hello, girls. Hello, girls. Are you in there? Can you see him, Sonny?
Oh.
Well, we should probably get them taken care of. Come on, girls. You want to let them out?
Yeah.
Okay.
Actually,
Hi, girls.
keep this open. Can you keep it open?
Yeah, I'll help you. Hang on. Come on out. It's snowy this morning. Come on. Hey. You want this?
Yeah.
All right. Knock yourself out. Don't shovel up any chickens.
There's no place to cover on the gas.
Yeah, you can shovel on the grass. Why don't you give them a path? They might actually like that. Look, a special chicken path. Kind of wet out here today, girls. Lots of snow. Lots of snow today. Oh, look at that. You have snow in your feeder. Let's get that out. Get some of that out. We don't want to put... Ah, that was on top of me. Hey, Sonny. Really?
I'm trying to knock it out.
Well, you're doing a good job knocking the snow out onto me. This is one of the cool parts when it snows, even though we don't have a roof. Got a lot of snow here. We can just go like that. Woo! And make it snow, make it snow, make it snow. Do 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 do. Alrighty, sorry girls. I know you're all over there.
Whoa.
I heard a whoa.
I scooped it onto the roof.
What was the whoa? Oops, I just dropped that. What was the whoa?
I scooped like this.
Oh, wonderful. Just want to see some cool special effects?
Yeah.
I can make it snow. Oh, whoa, right on top of the phone. Not so good. Look at that. Special effects. Or not, I'm actually not trying to be a jerk to the chickens, but if you look up here, you can see this is the top of the pen, and if we don't get that snow off, we run the risk of it collecting, and then it could collapse. Hasn't happened this year, but it's happened in years past, and then we have to rescue the chickens and put them in the garage, and it gets crazy. So we knock it off. and hope for the best. Probably send one of the kids out here later on to do it again. So what's your plan?
To show everybody's ground on the side of the planet.
Really?
Uh-huh.
You're gonna go to everybody and ask if they want you to shovel their grass?
No, let's do it anyway.
Oh, you're just gonna go and shovel their grass?
Yeah.
No matter what?
Yep.
Wow. I think you're pretty good at shoveling grass.
Are you as good as me?
Definitely not. I don't think I've ever really seriously considered what I could get out of shoveling grass. Would you consider it to be rewarding?
Yep. You give me all your stuff, all your fragile stuff, for me all to shovel everybody's ground.
I should pay you to shovel everybody's grass?
All of your money, give it to me.
I should give you all my money so you can shovel everybody else's grass?
Now give me all your money when I'm done shoveling everybody's grass.
Okay, when you shovel everybody's grass on the planet, you can have all my money.
Okay.
Does that sound like a good deal?
Yeah.
Okay.
Is that actually a real deal?
People don't seem to mind a little snacky snacks on a cold day. Hi, Silver. Is that good? A little bread, a little couscous, a little oatmeal. Good stuff. They got water, they got food, they got seeds. I'm packing it in. Are you coming?
No problem. I still got the whole thing.
You're staying out?
With you.
No, with me. I'm going in. I'm cold. No, this is not my weather.
Yeah, it is.
Bye.
No!